Take your shoes off now.
I'm not. Fuck.
Take.
What you talking about?
Take them off.
You see they off, right?
Good.
Stop talking to me. I don't give
How many shirts you got on? Give me your wristband.
You see how many shirts I
Give
got
me your
on,
wristband.
Fuck is you
now.
Fuck you in that wristband.
Are you done? Get him in a cell.
Cause you violated me.
What?
Yeah, just
you violated.
You have a belt on.
No, I don't. Does it look like I got a belt on?
I can't see.
Does it look like I got a belt on?
Let's dive into a bizarre incident that unfolded in Elmira, New York, on Friday afternoon, August 9th, 2024. An encounter between a civilian and a high-ranking police officer escalated into a dangerous confrontation.
Huh? You want to treat the black people like this? Watch this.
All right, we'll roll you on your side. Easy, easy, easy.
Watch this. Watch how you guys
you
let
got
me.
a couple more knives.
Yeah, I got one more knife.
Where is it?
I just showed you. It's right here.
All right.
It's right here.
Don't roll too.
No, don't go in there. It's right there in my pocket. You just see the black piece in this phone. In my pocket. You don't feel that? You don't feel that?
Okay.
You don't feel that, right? Don't worry. Watch how they treat these black people. Watch this. It's all on camera. I will have your job. Yeah, I'm allowed to have my phones too.
You can have your phones.
Yeah,
I'm
allowed
just
to
making
have
sure
all
there's
that.
no more knives.
There's no more
I
knives.
believe you, but I still
Now
have
get
to
off
make
me.
sure.
Now get the off me. I'm allowed to have my knives on. I'm allowed to have my phones on. This is how y'all want to treat black people? Y'all want to harass black people? Don't worry about it.
All right. We're gonna stand you up, all right?
I can get up on my own.
Well, I want to help you because you.
I don't need help. I can get up on my own. I done did
Sit up.
I done did this. I get up on my own.
Okay.
So go on with it, boy. Don't worry about it.
He wanted to fight me with this in his hand.
Never wanted to fight you with that in my hand. What you talking about? Now you're harassing me. Now you're violating my rights.
Here, over this way.
Now you're violating my
keep it.
rights. Get me out of here. I ain't got no warrant, so where am I going? You cannot take me to jail because I didn't do nothing. Now what are y'all doing? So now, hold up. What am I being detained for? I don't have no warrants.
Just keys?
Yeah.
All right, just slide in.
I don't have no warrants. So what am I being detained
slide
for?
in.
What am I being detained for?
Threatened me with a knife. I don't know what else more to tell you. Hello, what's up? Everything good? He was fighting with a guy on the other side of the street, challenged each other. I pulled up and said, "You guys done?" He asked me if I wanted to fight. I said, "I want you to move along." I come around. Come on.
But as the situation unfolded, a different kind of audience was watching. Bystanders with their phones capturing the confrontation between Bauman Thomas and the chief.
When did you start recording?
When you pulled your gun
Did
on
I pull
him?
my gun out on him?
Yep.
Good, because they still have the knife in his hand, so
Well,
I'm going to need their information.
I was
to get the
gonna
video.
say no. I didn't record. I didn't record
Can we
nothing.
check
up
that,
until-
please? Make
No.
sure you don't record this evidential effects, because I don't have a camera on my car and I don't have a body cam,
Well, you should.
but it's evidence. So if you
No.
caught him with a knife in his hand,
I did not.
that would help me with my
I did
criminal
not.
case.
I just said I did not.
Can we check?
Then what's the point of this?
No.
Then why are you
If you
filming?
didn't have it? If the whole point is
What
to
if-
get evidence for a
what-
criminal matter.
What if I was doing it for the benefit of you, and now y'all are coming at me with
I am. I know. Can I have the video for the benefit
No,
of
you
it?
cannot because it's.
So
this
you're
is-
not doing it for the benefit
This
of
is
the
not my phone.
It doesn't matter.
You're in
in
possession
control
It
of it.
does.
No, it doesn't,
That's
man.
not my car, but I'm in control of it. It's the city of Elmira's car.
Good. Can I have it?
No.
There's no reason for you
Good
to have
point.
it.
Touche.
I mean,
Anyway, so we're going to get your name because you're witnesses to this. I have
That's
to for
all
my
right.
UPR.
no, you don't.
I mean my,
No, you do not.
not UPR, my use of
No, you do
force
not.
report. Yes, I do.
What am I being arrested for? Y'all had no reason to throw me in handcuffs. What am I being arrested for?
Well, that will be discussed shortly.
No, I want to know some type of incident.
Well, I'm not the one pressing the charges, so you'll have to
press
talk.
charges.
Uh,
Nobody press charges.
Okay.
I haven't even done nothing. Why don't y'all got your body cameras on?
It is on.
It's not on.
Okay.
He didn't have no body camera on. Yeah, so what am I being arrested for? Now, I want to talk to your chief of police and all that.
You realize that was the chief of police, right?
That wasn't the chief of police.
Okay.
I want to talk to your head honcho.
That was him. You did.
No, that wasn't him.
Okay.
Pressing charges. Pressing charges for what? I'm what? He lying. I want to see the body footage and all that. Now I'm not answering none of y'all questions when we get down here. Not giving y'all my fingerprints or nothing. Watch this. Since y'all want to violate my rights, I'm going to violate now. Watch this. So now, you gonna give me some type of answers. So y'all want me to answer y'all? Y'all gonna give me some type of answers. Watch this.
203 cops, are you available?
One way or another, y'all gonna give me some type of answer. And then next time you put these cuffs on me, watch this. Y'all violate. It's all on video. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. What you gonna press charges now? Yeah. It's all on video, Popeyes. All y'all are on video. Harassing the black man. Harassing the black man. You're all on video. Ain't there on camera.
I'm back on the place property.
All on video. Watch this.
I'm going to identify you. You are a potential witness
Okay.
in a criminal matter, and
Okay.
now apparently you want to say that the police are abusing their power.
Whoa. Get out of here, man.
We don't need that bad.
You don't want
You
that
don't-
bad?
I
it's
just need
not
her
this.
name.
It's not.
You are going to give us, if this is your vehicle.
I have no problem giving you my name. That's not what
then
you
do
all
so.
started. That's not what
If
you
you don't
even
want to
started.
give us the video, we will subpoena it if we need to later.
Go
That is fine.
ahead.
And if you destroy it, it's evidence and it's a felony. So you cannot delete the video. I'm telling you that now. Is that being recorded?
It's not. It's
Yes.
not. It's not. It's not.
So
my
is all
fault.
her
Do
actions.
not if you delete the video, you are destroying evidence, which is a felony in New York State. Okay?
Okay.
You filmed me taking my gun out.
No,
and
I did
pointing it
not.
at him.
I did not.
You've already
film
admitted it.
that.
You said you
I
did.
I
You've already
said I've
admitted it.
seen it with my eyes.
Well,
I
then put
didn't fucking record it.
And don't wave your
I
fist
didn't-
at me again.
I didn't.
You wave your fist at me again, I'm going to arrest you.
I didn't wave my fist at you.
Well,
Watch your
that's
freaking. Yeah, I said this.
That's two.
Oh my God, get a
Now,
grip,
give
bro.
me your driver's license and your registration
No,
because you
I
drove
am
this
not.
car.
No,
The
I'm.
you ain't. You're giving it to me because
Whoa,
you have to.
Whoa.
You don't have a
Whoa.
choice but to identify
What did I?
yourself.
What
You
did
have
I
to
do?
identify yourself.
What did I do?
You drove a car. Let me see your driver's license
What
to
did-
make
what-
sure that
what-
you are a registered driver.
Okay.
You inserted yourself into the situation, man.
No.
We
no.
did nothing to you.
No.
That's fine.
We had nothing to do with you until you inserted yourself and started filming. Okay? So now, guess what?
Listen,
inserted
you need to
yourself
lose
into
the fucking attitude because I was gonna start being fucking cooperative with you until you tell me to give me my
license,
give me my-
registration, insurance card, please.
No.
Yes.
Get out of your mind. I will.
Then you will
gladly,
be under arrest for
listen,
obstruction.
I will gladly give you my license. I have to get in the car
Okay.
to get it.
Then
Where
go
is
ahead
it?
and do that, please.
In
Well, I'm
my-
not retrieving it, but just
It's in my bag.
Yep.
that black one right there?
No, the one back there.
Okay, go ahead and retrieve it.
You're all on camera.
All right.
Everybody recorded this one.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
All right, let's lock that up.
I like how y'all violated me. Watch this. I will have y'all job, and y'all will be there.
You don't want my job.
Don't worry about it. You will be working at the desk. Don't worry about it.
I do work at the desk, actually.
You'll be working at the desk.
I'll be at the
forever,
desk tomorrow.
Permanently. Y'all violated my rights. Now watch this.
Okay.
Watch this. It's all on camera. Y'all can't
Stand
deny
right,
it.
stand right here.
Y'all can't deny it. You're all on
Oh,
camera.
I don't have my key.
How do you? Step aside, please.
You're all on camera.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. My friends in them recorded this.
Going right over here to the elevator.
Y'all violated my rights. Watch this.
Com Center 1, we're 2219.
Oh, violate me, right? It is on camera, y'all. Just to let y'all know that they did record it.
Okay.
Video shows it all.
All right, this way.
Waiting for my bag, and I kept him at gunpoint. And as you have on video, I eventually put it away once he laid down on the ground and was being cooperative. So, that is it. That's the extent of this. And I'm just curious why you wouldn't want to share that video to prove my case against somebody that was trying to get in fights with
It wasn't that I
Just
didn't want
add
to share it. It was that you wanted to take my phone.
No, I didn't want to.
We asked
I
to
wanted to
see
send
it.
the video. I wanted to see. You said you didn't have a certain part. I wanted
Right, I
to
didn't
watch
have-
the video to see what you had,
Right.
to see if it, A, if you're being truthful, and B, if it's even worth it.
A, I'm being truthful, and B, no, it wasn't. I didn't start recording until after you were waiting here for probably a couple minutes.
Okay. So you didn't see him pacing back and forth and challenging me.
I saw it.
But that recorded.
No, excuse me. I did not see that part of it. I saw you have words with him, and you pull your gun.
Yep. Then what'd you see happen?
And then
When I pulled the gun, what did you do? Then what happened?
He meh, 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 and then went down.
Okay. And did you see him throw the knife?
No.
Could you hear what was being
I was
said?
driving.
Oh, you were in your car?
Yeah.
Hence why you parked this way? You were just kind of driving, saw it?
So you weren't coming out of the store?
No, I was over at Dollar
So you didn't hear words from either subject then?
No.
Okay.
Nope, nope, nope.
I could actually take him right off him if he's going to be cooperative. Well,
Cooperate?
I'm not giving y'all no fingerprints. I'm not saying y'all question.
That's an issue for the judge.
judge is going to make you, or he's just
The
going to send
judge
you
can't
to the
make
jail.
me do nothing.
Well, he can remand you to the jail until you do. That's not something you want, I'm sure.
But y'all not, it seems like y'all not
How's
answering
that
my
children?
question, so why would they answer mine?
203.
Y'all not giving me the reason why he threw his gun on me.
Because you had a knife coming at him, that's what he
No, I
said.
didn't. I never came nowhere
I have
near
a
him.
license plate.
So it's all on camera since y'all said it was on camera, right? So let's run the footage back.
Then that's what your day in court is for.
Let's run the footage back. Since he said I drew my knife on him, I was talking to my partner, my mans, and he want to violate me. What are you talking about? I asked my mans where my bike is at. I have all right to do that.
This is a registration request or...
Just like I have all right to carry a knife. I'm not on parole. I'm not on probation. I don't have no warrants.
Do you want to get into a cell and sit there? We're fine with that. We just got to get some stuff from you, okay?
I don't got nothing on me.
We got
Besides my necklace and my
right.
chain.
We
That's it.
got to check you, okay?
Now you can put me in my cell. I'm not getting searched, none of that.
I'm going to take this off you, okay? Can I take this down so I can get this off your head? Is it okay?
27 check. Miss Amy McNabb. She's got a pin. Just check for us.
He violated my rights.
What else you got on you? How up your
You have the license number, date of birth, if he doesn't provide
What
that.
else you got on you? You want to just tell me?
I just told you my necklace. Just told you. They're both in my back pocket.
Okay. I didn't hear you say that.
Violating my rights. I don't got nothing else on me. It's all
I got to check you, okay?
Since
Do you want a mail to search you or do you want me to search you? It's up to you. You got a choice. Do you want him to search you? I'll just have you search him so that you won't have any issues.
Didn't you search me already?
Yep.
We have protocol here.
So why you keep searching me again?
Because we got
Because
protocols
y'all
here.
violating my f***ing rights. That's what y'all doing.
Just to double check, make sure I didn't miss anything.
Man, you didn't miss nothing. You searched me once. It's all on video.
Okay.
It's all on f***ing
That's being
video.
used to record in New York, negative SNRs.
Don't worry about it.
Something in there, I think. What do you got
Yeah, I
in
think
there?
it's
Ain't
rolled up.
nothing in there. Oh, bags.
Yeah, two baggies.
Let's see. Bags. Clear bag.
Yeah.
So there y'all.
Take this off your head, okay? Come here. Just don't want to pull your hair.
Like, what the f***? Don't matter if you saw me or not. Like, come on. Y'all violating my rights.
You take those off. I forget your first name. What is it?
Yeah, let go so I can take these off.
What's your first name?
Isaiah.
Let go so I
Isaiah.
can take these off. There you go.
Yo, my man, like, I can't feel my fingers. Like, y'all violating my
Isaiah.
rights. Like, what the fuck?
Isaiah.
Keep your hand right
It
here.
ain't no
There's no
stop
point in
nothing.
yelling. No one's watching you here.
They all, like, y'all violating my rights. Y'all don't slam me on the ground with broken fingers. Y'all violating my f***ing rights.
Here, Isaiah, have a seat. You gotta take that hair tie out for me, okay? Isaiah, have a seat. You gotta take your shoes and your hair tie off, or I gotta take them from you. Don't spit at me. Isaiah, I don't want to pull your hair. Do you want us to put cuffs back on you again?
Subject to no logical systems.
Bullshit.
Isaiah, I want to put you into a cell. That's all I'm trying to do.
But y'all wasn't worried about that when y'all was violating me.
I
get excuses,
wasn't
right?
there. I wasn't even there, Isaiah. I wasn't even there.
But y'all wasn't worried about that when y'all was violating me, right?
I wasn't there.
Now y'all want to be concerned and all this extra shit now, right? Come on, y'all wasn't worried about that over there on College Ave.
Can I get this from you? Can I get this hair tie from you? Is it okay?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Y'all wasn't worried about that then.
I just don't want to pull your hair.
But now y'all want to be worried about it now, right?
I wasn't there, Isaiah. Alright, let me take your shoes.
Why?
Because I have to take your shoes and put you in
Why?
a cell.
If I'm going to court,
It's
why
state law.
why
You're
do-
not going to court yet. You gotta have a seat. Do you have a shirt on under this?
Yeah, I got multiple shirts.
You only get one shirt and you gotta take your shoes off.
This ain't a shirt, this is a coat.
Okay, you gotta take that off then. Can you take it off for me?
This is bull. I want to see my lawyer. I want to see the judge.
You sure can, but you gotta do this before we can see them. You gotta wait your turn. There's other people up there right now.
So when will I see the judge?
When she's ready for you.
And when would that be?
I'm not the judge. I have to get you into a cell and then I gotta call him.
Violated my rights for
The
nothing.
longer you sit here, the longer it is that I
But y'all
can't.
violated my rights for nothing.
I
Like,
haven't done
I
anything
want
to
to
you,
know.
Isaiah.
I asked this officer right here what I'm being charged with. He won't respond to me. So I'm violating him.
Because
about you. Shut up. Don't talk to me.
because I
Shut
don't
up.
know what you're
talk
being
to me.
charged with.
Shut the fuck up. Don't talk to me.
Isaiah, you're not in charge here.
You are not
You
in charge.
understand that? She's
I
being
don't-
cooperative.
I don't care.
Well,
about
we don't
either
care.
one of you.
No, we
Either
don't
one of
care.
you.
Take your shoes
I'm
off
not,
now.
I'm not.
Take them
What
off.
you talking about?
Take
I'm
them
not
off.
talking- You see they off, right?
Good.
Stop talking to me. I'm
How many shirts you got on? Give me your wristband.
You see how many shirts I
Give
got
me
on,
your
right?
wristband.
Fuck is you
Now.
talking- Fuck you in that wristband.
Are you done? Get him in a cell?
Because you violated me.
What?
Yeah, just
You violated
You have a
me.
belt on.
No, I don't. Does it look like I got a belt on?
Isaiah,
Can't
do
see.
you have
Does it look like I got a belt on?
Isaiah, do you have any
What you
things?
talking about? And I'm all the way like that. I'm hands on.
Isaiah.
What are you talking about? I did
Cool.
8 years up north, brother.
Good.
I violate you.
That's an accomplishment.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Want to get in the cell?
You'll be violated. Don't worry about it. Ask the niggas how I give it up in the county
Get in the
jail.
cell. Let's go.
What you talking about? What's wrong with you?
The incident occurred on College Avenue when the chief, who was off duty and in plain clothes, intervened in a dispute between two individuals. Bauman Thomas became aggressive and threatening, prompting the chief to draw his weapon and order him to drop the knife. Isaiah Bauman Thomas was subsequently arrested and charged with menacing in the second degree and disorderly conduct. He was released on an appearance ticket. Thank you for watching and subscribe to catch more videos like this one.